Exercise 7.7. Integrate the functions in exercises 1 to 9. First question, square root of 4 minus x square. Square root of 4 minus x square. So integrate, we are finding here. So this is equals to integration of, this is 2 square I am writing. 2 square is equals to 4. X square as it is, square root x. Just we know the formula. Integration of a square minus x square under root into dx is equals to what formula? X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c is the formula. So by using this formula, we are solving this. Now this is equals to here x is equal to x only, a is equals to 2. So x by 2 square root of a square, so 2 square minus x square plus a square, so 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by 2 plus 6. Here 2 square get cancelled. This is equal to x by 2 square root of 2 square 4 minus x square plus 2 into sine inverse of x by 2 plus 6. So this is the solution. Now second question. Second question you see, square root of 1 minus 4x square. This is the second question. So integration we are finding. This is equals to integration of 1 minus 2x whole square under root into dx. Here let 2x is equals to y. 2x is equals to, I am assuming, y. Derivative on both sides. What we are getting? 2 into x derivative dx, y derivative dy. Dx is equal to dy by 2. Now integration of 1 minus 2x whole square under root into dx is equal to integration of square root of 1 minus y square dx. 1 is equal to what I am writing? 1 square. Use the same formula. So what we are getting? Y by 2 into under root of 1 square minus y square. Next to plus 1 square by 2 sine inverse of y by 2. So y is equals to sorry, here y is dx is equals to what? Dy by 2. Dy by 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 square minus y square under root into dy. So 1 by 2 into, we are writing here. Next to sine inverse of y by 1 plus c. So this is equals to y by 4 1 minus y square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of y plus c. This is equals to, y is equals to what? What is the y? Y is equals to what we assumed? Y is 2x. Substitute it. 2x by 4 1 minus 2x whole square under root plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus c. Here 1 by 2 into c by 2. C by 2 is the one constant. So this is capital C have. Okay. So 2 2's are get cancelled. X by 2 under root of 1 minus 2 square 4. So 4x square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2x plus c is the solution. Next to third question is third question, x square plus 4x plus 6 under root integral we need to find. This is equals to what I am writing, integration of x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2 into dx. 4 plus 2 6 again, because x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2 whole square, so that I written like that. So this is equals to integration of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 is plus 2 is there under root into dx. It is equals to x plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 2 whole square, this one root 2 whole square dx. Now it is in the form of integration of x square plus a square under root dx is equals to formula x by 2 into under root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log mod of x plus x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula. By using this formula, we are finding this one. So x is equals to what? X plus 2. A is equals to what? Root 2. So this is equals to x by 2. So x plus 2 by 2 into square root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus a square. A square is equal to root 2 whole square by 2 into log mod of x. X is equal to x plus 2 plus square root of a square plus x square plus a square. X plus 2 whole square plus a square. So here square root get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. What we are getting? X plus 2 by 2 into square root of x plus 2 whole square root 2 square is equals to quotient only that one. So x square plus 4x plus 6. Next plus log mod of x plus 2 plus x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 square is equals to what? Root 2 square is equals to what? That is equals to same this one only. X square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. This is the answer. Just integration of square root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 square is there. Use this formula. Here x is equal to x plus 2, a is equal to root 2. You follow the formula, you will get the answer. Stop mode. Only stop. Fourth question, square root of x square plus 4x plus 1. So integral we are finding here. So this is equals to integration of square root of this one. Now we are converting to ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. How we are converting? A into x plus alpha whole square plus or minus beta square. In this form we are converting now. So this form we are converting this quadratic term. So what I am writing is square root of x square plus 4x. Next plus 4 minus 3 I am writing. 4 minus 3 1 and x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 1 x plus 2 whole square into dx. So this is equals to integration of x plus 2 whole square up to this term and 3 is equals to root 3 square I am writing into dx. Now integration of x square minus a square under root into dx formula what? X by 2 into square root of x square minus a square by 2 into log mod of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula. So here x is equals to what in place of x? X plus 2. In place of a root 3. Just you substitute it. So that is x plus 2 by 2 into square root of same question we are getting here. What is the question? Same term we are writing now. So same you write it. X square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square. A is equals to a is equal to root 3. A square is equals to what? 3. So 3 by 2 into log mod of x. X is equals to what? X plus 2 plus square root of x square minus a square what? Question only. So what is the question now? Square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 6. This is the solution. Very easy. When you are writing this square root, same question you write it. Same question you write it. That's it. Next to fifth question. 1 minus 4x minus x square under root. So integral we are finding. So this is equals to what I am writing, integration of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 2 minus 2x square minus 4x plus 4. 4 is equals to 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 I am writing. Why I am writing this one? By converting into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. So this is equals to integration of 5 minus is common from these terms. So what we are getting 4 plus 4x plus x square under root into dx. And this is equals to integration of root 5 square I am writing minus. So this is equals to what? X plus 2 whole square under root into dx. So it is in the form of integration of square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. What is the formula? X by 2. So x is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 by 2 into square root of a square minus x square. That is nothing but question only. So 1 minus 4x minus x square plus next to a square by 2. A is equals to what here? Root 5. So root 5 square is equals to 5. So 5 by 2. Log mod of x. X is in place of x plus 2. Next to plus square root of x next to x a square minus x square. A square minus x square nothing but question only. 1 minus 4x plus x square dx. X square plus 6. This is the answer. Next to sixth question. X square plus 4x minus 5 under root is there. So integration dx we are writing. This is equals to what? Integration of square root of x square plus 4x plus 4 I am writing. Here minus 5 is there. So minus 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5 into dx. This is equals to integration of x plus 2 whole square minus 9 is equals to what? 3 square. Now this is in the form of square root of x square minus a square, the same formula. So you apply it. X by 2, x plus 2 by 2, square root of question. What is the question? X square plus 4x minus 5 plus a square. A square is equals to 3 square. 3 square value 9. So minus 9 by 2 into log mod of x plus 2. Next to plus question only. Question what? X square plus 4x minus 5 plus 6. Very easy questions. Next to seventh question. Seventh question 1 plus 3x minus x square under root. Integral we need to find. This is equals to, first you see here. This one first of all I am converting. 1 plus 3x minus x square I am converting. So some small steps is there, you see. Minus x square plus 3x plus 1. Minus x square plus 2 into x into 3 by 2 I am writing. Next, first you take minus common. So minus, here minus, here minus. Here minus, here minus. Next to minus x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square adding and subtracting. 3 by 2 whole square adding and subtracting. And that is equals to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 1. This is equal to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 4 this one. If you multiply it with minus 13 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So under root is there. So now question is integration of 1 plus 3x minus x square under root into dx is equals to integration of root 13 by 2 whole square I am writing. Is nothing but root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square under root into dx. It is in the form of square root of a's integration of square root of a square minus x square. Formula x by 2. So x minus 3 by 2. That is equals to what? Here I am writing this. X, that is x minus 3 by 2 by 2. Into question only we are writing. What is the question? 1 plus 3x minus x square. Right? Next to plus a square. A is equals to what here? Root 13 by 2. Whole square is equals to 13 by 4 by 2. How am I writing? A square value root 13 by 2 whole square. Root 13 square. Root 13 square. So 13 only. 2 square 4. A square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. X minus 3 by 2 by a. Root 13 by 2 plus c. Next you take 2 LCM. 2x minus 3, 2 into 2, 4. What you are getting now? 2x minus 3 by 4 into square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square. Next to 13 by 8, sine inverse of. In numerator LCM 2, 2x minus 3 by root 13 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. So sine inverse of 2x minus 3 by root 13 you are getting. This is the solution of 7. Stop it. Okay, 8 and 10.